Hi, this is my video of my Lego dump truck, hydraulic dump truck, and crane. Okay, let's start it with the crane. The crane turns around on the front end of the truck, and there's a stick to turn it with. The hook, and here's the hook. And it turns on a turntable that I got from the Lego Technic crane. I had it a while back, it broke though. And what else? Oh yeah, it sits on top of the cab. I'll show you the cab. There's a little guy in there. A license plate, LC7893. No idea what that means, but... And let's get to the hydraulic dump truck part. And there's this tube that connects the hydraulic pumps. I'll show you with them. They're really hard to see, but they're back in there. They push up the top of this, and it runs on this peg, and there's one on the other side. And I have to connect that tube to the pump, which is this thing with the spring on it. You can't see it there. Yeah, wait 1 second. And so when you connect that tube, you press down on this, and that goes up. Don't pop it too hard or it'll pop, and it's not a very fun job connecting the tubes back together, because you gotta take the dumper off and you gotta get down in there and connect it all together. It's a real pain. And so you can put like gravel or dirt or something that'll slide down easily on a small angle. And and then to release it, you unhook this tube and push this down. And before you pump it again, you gotta connect the tube again. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I got a place for an extra wheel, and I got brake lights on the end of this, and the top lights on so it doesn't hit anything. And the bottom, let's get down there. The bottom here are the 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 in the front, 1, 2, and that gives us 6. There used to be 8 wheels, but the two between the 4 and the 2, they weren't getting very much weight on them, and they weren't spinning, so I just replaced them with some bricks. And so that's my Lego hydraulic dump truck and crane. Thanks for watching. Bye.